What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is BJ Sports Cards. Today is day 2 of opening our advent calendar from the Topps holiday box. So we're gonna open this pack here. Got them in there pretty good. All right. So this is our second pack. This is day 2. Start out with a Darren Baker rookie card. Got a Caden Dana. We got a Aaron Judge on the nice list, number 58. Jack Flaherty and Martinez. So that's pack number 2. We're going to be opening up all these till we get all 24 open, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.